Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafty Made Easy. This will be a very quick video to show you how to decorate these cute little milk bottles. If you're interested to see that, stand by. So the items you'll need for this project will include these milk bottles. I purchased these from Target. They were $3 for both bottles, so $1.50 a bottle. I'm not sure if the Dollar Tree carries these, but if they do, go ahead and pick some up for $1. You can't beat that. You'll also need some vinyl, some transfer tape, some scissors, and some alcohol to kind of just wipe down your bottle. I believe that is all that you'll need for this particular project. If I'm missing anything, I'll be sure to put it down in the description box below. All right, and now that's out of the way, let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take these bottles out of the wrap. And you can pretty much do whatever you kind of want to do for, to these bottles or whatever. You can put sand in them, you can put alcohol in it, you can put whatever your heart desires in there. I'm gonna put these in my kitchen. You can put body wash, bath wash, lotion, shampoo, whatever, and put it in your bathroom. These will go in my kitchen. So I went ahead and printed out two two texts, which says olive oil and the other one says soy sauce. Those are the first two liquids that I thought of to put in here. But like I said, you can put whatever you want in there, so your labels may say something different. I did go ahead and measure just across here and then here, and it was about 4.5 inches. So I did go about 4 inches, and then I believe it was maybe 2 inches across. So I went like a little in between 2 inches. So just double check your measurements to see how you want your text to look. It does come with these tags and this elastic, so you could use that to put around the neck of the bottle if you wanted to, but I'm not gonna bother with that. I'm gonna go ahead and clean down my bottle, and I'm just gonna put the tag on one side. And I'm gonna actually use this and this to stop it from rolling. All right, and so that is the project. So I think they turned out really cute. I did go ahead and put them on the side where the top of the neck was, where it opens up at. So you could put it on the other side as well. You could do both sides, but I don't think it's to me, I don't think it's necessary. So I'm just going to do one side. But this is again how they turned out. This is really cute. So the olive oil and, let me do it the right way. So the olive oil and the soy sauce. So that is how they turn out. Again, each bottle was $1.50. They came in a set of 2 for $3 at Target. They were in the front section where they have like their clearance stuff at. So if you are looking for them in your store, that is where you may be able to find them. You know, sometimes those, each Target varies what they have in their clearance, and those baskets are pretty much first come, first serve. So don't be surprised if they're not there anymore. But anyway, y'all, this was just a cute little home decor project for you. Nothing too long, nothing too drawn out or too hard or anything like that. I thought I would throw an easy one in there because next week I'll be doing some resin projects, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this project, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button along with the share button, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell. And if you are interested in joining my Facebook group, it is called Crafting Made Easy, same as this channel. Just go ahead and answer the 3 questions in the box, and then I will go ahead and approve you to enter into the group, and then you can share all of your projects and any ideas that you may have. All right, y'all, once again, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and supporting me. I really truly appreciate everything that you are doing. I'm on the road to 10K and beyond, so if you have any friends, again, go ahead and share this craft video and hit that hit that thumbs up button and a subscribe button. All right, y'all, until next time, y'all stay good. Peace.